Hey everybody, it's Metachew. So I wanted to do a video to explore the select and where operators for the SOQL queries and functionality on the Open Data Portal. So if you go on the Open Data Portal, there's this For Developers tab. If you click here, Socrata has provided a bunch of documentation about how to use the Open Data Portal. So you want to click on this API's docs link. So a bunch of information on how to use the portal and the APIs. I want to focus for this video on these SOQL queries here. So if you go to the SOQL clauses this outlines, it has a bunch of different parameters. So I'm going to focus on the first two for this video, the select and the where, because these two are pretty powerful together. So you can think of the select clause to select a set of columns, and then the where clause to filter the rows within the columns. So I'm going to present how you might use these two clauses to get really specific information on the portal. So I already have opened the parking summonses dataset on the portal. So again, we're going to go to this API endpoint, copy this. I'm going to open up another tab, do a Control-V in the browser, and now this brings up a list of all the parking summonses in the city of Buffalo. So let's first use the select clause. So we're going to do a question mark to, again, ask the data set a question. And on the parking summonses, let's see, we want to find perhaps the date. So the API field name is some DT. Maybe a description of the violation, so this VioDesk API field name. And then let's say, so let's first do the select clause. So we're going to go in the browser, do the select query, which is a $select, and then an equals, and then we're going to do the sum DT, and I forgot the VioDesk, and then enter. And this is going to filter the sum date, or the date of the summons, and the description of the violation. But let's say we're only interested in parking summonses that occurred in the Fillmore Council District. So that's where the where clause comes in. So if we add onto the select clause an and I think it's an ampersand, and then $where equals, and then we got to find the council district field. So we're going to go on to the summons date, find the council district, so council_district. So we're going to do $where council_district equals Fillmore. And we get an error. That's because the where clause, the council district field, is a text. So we actually have to put the Fillmore in parentheses. So we're going to do a double parentheses around Fillmore and hit where. And now we have the data set. So we have the date of the summonses, the description of the violation, and it's all filtered by just within the Fillmore district. So just an example of how we can use the select and the where clause together to really get even more specific information. So thank you for tuning in, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like me to cover in future videos in the comments below. Thank you.